Hey everyone, welcome to the Golden Era Showdown, powered by MEXC. If you're active in the crypto space, chances are you already know us. MEXC is one of the world's leading trading platforms, home to trending tokens, ultra low fees, and daily rewards that keep things exciting. To celebrate our global community, we launched something very special, the Gold Bar giveaway. Over several intense weeks, traders from around the world competed, unlocking a 4 million USDT prize pool. Every trade earned a lucky draw ticket, but one reward stood above everything else. A 100-ounce gold bar worth around 350,000 USDT. And today, we meet the trader who made it happen. Someone who turned crypto into pure gold. Let's meet our winner. Here is Dom. Welcome, Dom, to the MEXC studio. How are you?
Fine, I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm very excited to be here.
I can imagine. So tell me, what was your first reaction when you won the golden bar?
At first, I didn't believe it. I remember I signed up for the Golden Bar initiative and completely forgot about it. So when the initiative ended, I checked the page. I saw I had 3 tickets, and one of it was the winner. So I refreshed the page. Lots of time. I spoke to the customer support to make sure that everything was real. And at the end, it was. So I was excited, and I'm very excited about it.
Yeah, I can imagine. Amazing. Congrats again.
Thank you.
And what's the first thing you would like to do with the reward?
I think I will use part of the reward to buy an house for me and for my family. I realized it could be really useful to have a safety net. You know, also to improve my trading in the long term. This win was like a bonus that goes in parallel with everything I do daily. So I really like to convert it in something more tangible, and an house for me and my family could be that.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. How long have you been a MEXC user? By the way?
More than 2 years. More than 2 years, yeah.
And do you remember your first trade on MEXC?
I remember it was a spot with Ethereum. It was quite small, but it turned out in a profitable trade. So that was my first.
Nice. That's always good, of course. Yeah, can you tell me a bit more about MEXC? So, what do you like about the platform, and also maybe in comparison to other platforms?
I used many other platforms before, and I found out about MEXC the first time because I was looking for some altcoins, and I found out that they were on MEXC. I went deeper into the platform, and I really appreciated the very competitive low fees, and the fact that every week there were new initiatives, new event for traders. And you know, when as a trader, when as a client you feel valuable and rewarded, then it means that also the platforms earn a lot in terms of usage and utility over time. So right now I moved all my activities on MEXC for that.
Okay, awesome. What do you look for before trusting an exchange with your funds?
I always try to read more and more, usually reviews online. I also speak to other traders asking if they try the platform. I also usually start with a small amount and increase the amount over time. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, makes sense. And one more question regarding the gold bar giveaway. So, did you trade differently, or did you just stay consistent?
I think in these initiatives it is really important to don't be influenced by the initiative and the event itself. So I try to be as much consistent as possible. I even forgot about the initiative itself because I try to simply don't think about them in that way. So it was a really great bonus.
It was a blessing,
Yeah.
maybe almost. And what's your number one tip for future participants of the Gold Bar giveaway?
Always remember to sign up and don't be influenced by the volume required to get a ticket or to try to get bigger prizes. Just try to be profitable in the long term, and you will be able to participate and join in more and more initiative and earn tickets as well.
Yeah, good tips. And if you could design MEXC's next big giveaway, what kind of prize would you?
I think the gold bar works well because people can easily associate its value to something tangible. So I don't know, maybe a vault of silver bar or other metals that have a price that is steady growing. So I think that could be a great choice that could earn interest by users. So
Definitely.
metals are great.
Gold and silver are both doing great,
Yeah.
of course. So that's a good choice. So this are some personal questions. So if you could send one message to your past self before crypto, what would that be?
Well, before crypto, of course, buy as many Bitcoins and Ethereum as possible, of course.
I can imagine. And crypto is also volatile. So when did you start with crypto, more or less?
2017.
And that's already a long time ago. What made you stay in crypto during all these volatility and market downturns? What kept you going?
2018 was honestly, it's been a hard period because it was my first bear market. So I held a lot of crypto spot at that time, and I saw the value decrease for the whole year, and that was when I started to dive deeper in trading and how to profit even on the short side. So right now I try to be as much reactive as possible to the market. So if we are in a bull market, is okay. If we are in a downturn, is okay as well.
Yeah, if you had to predict the next coin of the year, we just started 2026, of course. What token or coin would that be?
I honestly don't like to predict in that way because, as I said, I try to be as much reactive as possible. But I'm following with interest the development of a crypto called Minotari. Yeah, is it on MEXC? The ticker is Stari, and the founder is Riccardo Spagni, that is also the founder of Monero. They are doing a great job. The coin is starting to breaking out again, so I think it could be a great play for the year.
Interesting. We will also share the ticker in the below. Okay. In terms of Bitcoin, what do you think the all-time high will be this year? Do you think we already passed it, or?
No, I think this year will be full of surprises. If we will be able to break the 105,000 area, I think we could expect a new all-time high this year. So probably around 250,000. Yeah.
This year.
This year, yeah. Okay. I hope so.
Bold prediction. I
Yeah.
like it. I think a lot of people in crypto are on X or Twitter. Is there any account you really like to follow, and maybe you can give a small shout out as well?
Yeah, I always been inspired by the work of iStakes Capital. Yeah, he's continued to do a very great job at trading, investing, not just in crypto but also in stocks as well. So you should check it out.
Okay, interesting. Thanks. Thank you, Dom, for answering all these questions and sharing your journey with MEXC. Any last words?
Thank you so much, guys. It was a pleasure. Thanks for the opportunity. Trade on MEXC.